How to connect PS4 to the internet. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can connect your PlayStation console to internet, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to connect PS4 to the internet, it's actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, if you're not connected, there are two ways to connect it. One is via cable, the other is wireless fidelity. So to do either of this, first of all, go to the navigation menu and then just go to this option known as settings. And when you go to settings over here you'll be able to find the option called network. You want to make sure to simply click on network. When you click the network option over here, you can say set up internet connection. You can select it. Now you can either choose a Wi-Fi by simply connecting to one of the Wi-Fi's or wireless networks that are available. PlayStation 4 also actually supports 5G, so you can also connect to your 5G Wi-Fi. Now other than that, if you have a LAN cable or you happen to use a LAN cable instead, then you can choose to use a LAN cable. Make sure that your LAN cable is connected to your router and directly to your PlayStation. Then after that, your internet will also get successfully connected from here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then connect your PS4 to the internet. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.